What's good, boys? Today we're doing a live trade recap. We've done this before, but it's getting late and we're still in the trade, so we're just gonna do it now. And price is still going in our direction, so I think we're gonna win. But let's go over what we, thought was gonna happen, and yeah, let's do that. Alright, so as you guys can see here, we're up $27 with a stop loss of 10 because we hit our take profit 2 and we moved it down here. And right now it was a little scary. We went started losing money, but it looks like it was just an hourly retrace, made a long wick. Hopefully we take out these highs and then we can push down. But coming into the day, we look at the daily and we are bearish, but we were creating a daily retrace. So I was looking for, originally I was looking for sells, but I'll go into my reasoning why I went for buys. But we were bearish on the daily, but we were also we're bullish on the weekly. You guys know this, you guys have watched like most of it, so yeah, because we broke structure right here, so technically we're bearish. But I was thinking, which we still might do, push up into this gap and then go down from the retrace and hit equilibrium, which is, I'm guessing, this black line right here, basically. Let's just quickly check. Pretty much, even lower, but I think we're going to retrace into the daily, so that's why I was looking for buys. If we go into the 4 hour, I was actually thinking of also maybe not trading today, but we were in some pretty big consolidation. We didn't move that much like this is 12 hours of price action, which is crazy. But I waited for this little mini break of, well, not really mini break of structure, just like a break of structure back to the upside, because no, not back to the upside, we never broke structure. Actually, I didn't wait for shit, I'm just lying. But we're still bullish, but we're waiting. There wasn't really anything on the 4 hour when I think about it. There was nothing. We didn't have any confluences or anything to go off on. On the 1 hour, now this is where things get a little spicy. So we're looking at the hourly. We're in an uptrend. We swept out liquidity, and we're in an order block. I think it was we were in an order block or some shit. Oh, here we are. It wasn't this. We swept out liquidity. Yeah, we swept out. I'm stupid. And we were in a order block, and we poked our heads in the order block, retraced into it, and are pushing up now. So we came into that order block, gave us an extra confluence to go for buys, and we also, this has just happened now, which I'm really happy about. It looks like we're going to hit our final take profit. We just filled in this gap right here. So that's good. But why I took this trade as well, because you might be thinking, dang, there's a massive void here. Why didn't you wait to disrespect it? Well, I was thinking that, but first of all, I'm not going to wait 5 hours. I just had that as my take profit. So I had it where price can reverse. So it could maybe reverse here, here, and here. So that's why because we already disrespected this gap, so we were chilling. But it was this gap that I was a little bit worried about, where we could just push down. So I made sure I had to take profit here to lower my losses if we did reverse and went down. That was pretty much it. I mean, not pretty much it. In the 30-minute was also pretty good. We retraced and we pushed up, and not much. I mean, we didn't go off this retrace. Market didn't open, but again, we made sure we had take profits in these gaps over here, and our final take profit up there, which I hope we hit. Because we're making the extension up. And let's go into the lower time frames, because this is where everything we piece everything together. And yeah, let's go. There wasn't too much on the 15-minute. Was there anything on the 15-minute? Not really. Oh, actually, yes, there was. I waited for this. I remember. I waited for this break of structure right here, and we got a closure there. And I still waited, but I remember waiting for this break of structure, and we swept liquidity, and then we pushed up. So that was good. Also, we had this gap here, which we filled initially, and we got that reaction. I was just seeing if we push back into it, and then get a reaction, which we didn't. But we hit equilibrium. Move down. Came to discounted price and fucking rallied up. Now, if we go into the 5 minute, this is where things start to dice up. So this is, I think I could have gotten a better entry here. It wasn't the worst entry, but we're pushing up. We retrace. I missed this one because market didn't open. Then we pushed up again, and mid candle, which I should have waited for candle close. It's not like a major thing, but I could have waited for this fill as well. We got a right here. I like entered mid candle, and then we pushed back down. So I could have gotten a better entry if I just waited for the candle to close to confirm we're bullish. Well, even though we were bullish, not really, but like you know what I mean. We should have waited for candle close. So that's something to improve on for sure. And that's when we entered, which I think it was still an alright entry. We rallied up really high after that. But that was why I entered. We also hit discounted price and pushed up, and we filled a gap. So we did 3 confluences, well, not 3, 2 confluences and rallied up, bro. Well, 3 because of the order block as well. It was a good trade and sweep. That's not really confluence, but yeah, we also literally just now filled out this gap like crazy. Thankfully, we didn't disrespect it, but it could have happened and we could have lost. And it looks like, gotta wait for it to happen, but it looks like we're gonna hit our final take profit. Might reverse off here though. So yeah, good trade. We made a high time frame retrace, and we're starting to rally up and making that big extension. And that's pretty much it for today's trade. That's going to be it for a live trade recap. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it might have helped you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys later for the next trade recap.